What's up, YouTube? The baby birds that I was taking care of, they didn't make it. I tried my best. At the time the temperature was much cooler, so I think it's because I didn't keep them warm enough, and that causes their demise. I tried my best and it didn't work. But the tree that the baby birds fell out of, I noticed there's another robin flying back and forth, right? So I went and checked just now, and there's another nest. 2 eggs, it seems like 2 eggs or 3 eggs, but one of them just hatched, I guess today sometime. Since the bird just left the nest, I'm going to go ahead and show it to y'all. The only reason why I'm doing this right now is because I saw when the other bird left out. Otherwise, I wouldn't be disturbing. Let me see if I could get a good picture. Okay, so just to update y'all guys real quick, to let y'all know that the baby birds that I was taking care of, they died. But there's a new family in the same tree. It could be the same mama and papa bird, I'm not sure, but there's a new family in the tree, and I'll keep y'all updated. Maybe I'll set up a live cam, that way it could sit there and I don't have to keep disturbing them. So maybe I'll do that in the next couple of days after the other eggs hatch and the babies are strong and healthy. Then I'll set up a live cam. So until then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Red Boy TV. I'm out.